We have to start the next session, that is a heterocyclic compound having 6-member heterocyclic moiety. That is, in earlier lectures, we have to discuss with the one heterocyclic, one heteroatom present in the 6-member. Now we have to move with the 2 heteroatom present in the 6-member heterocyclic moiety, that is pyrimidines. Here we have to discuss the properties, some properties of pyrimidines, some chemical preparations, chemical reactions, and medicinal uses of pyrimidine as a heterocyclic moiety present in the drug molecules. Now we have to move with the properties of pyrimidine moiety. That is, pyridine, this is structure of pyridines having 6 members and 2 nitrogen atoms present on 6-member heterocyclic ring at 1 and 3rd positions. Both the nitrogen atoms present in pyrimidine ring moiety should be present at 1 and 3rd positions. Or both the nitrogen atoms are having unshared electron present on the outermost shell of the nitrogen atoms. Here, the orbital picture you have to see all the atoms present in the pyrimidine ring in the form of sp2 hybridized, and this pyrimidine ring is planar in nature. So in pyrimidine rings, the total 6 delocalized electrons or non-bonding electron present in the structures. Out of that, 4 from carbon atoms and 2 from the nitrogen atoms. And as per the aromatic characteristics, its requirement is particular compound is cyclic in nature, alternate single double bond, and it passes Huckel's rules. So all the parameters in pyrimidines are fully obey the rules for the aromaticity. The pyrimidine is a cyclic in nature, so already 6-member is a cyclic in nature. Alternate single double bond, if you observe the structures, there is a single bond, this is a double bond, again single bonds, again double bonds, again single bonds and double bonds. Means total 3 double bonds and 3 single bonds alternately present in the structures, and it obeys the Huckel's rules. On that basis, the particular pyrimidine is a aromatic in nature. The delocalizing non-bonding electrons came from 4 from carbon atoms, 2 from nitrogen atoms. And another property, these are the weak bases. Pyrimidine are the weak bases. These are some properties related with the pyrimidines. Now, how will you prepare the pyrimidines? This is the first method for the formation of pyrimidines. First reaction is from 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. This is an example of 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. They react with the amidines or urea or guanidines. These are the reactant, other starting material apart from 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds. They react with the either amidines or either urea. This is the amidines. This one is the amidine ones. Urea तुम्हाला माहिती है NH2 C double bond O NH2. In presence of base, this reaction is carried out and to form the substituted product, that is 2, 4, 5, 6 substituted pyrimidine as a basic moiety. The numbering, if you consider, if you start with this one, this side, clockwise direction, then 1, 2, and 3 positions, 4, 5, 6. If anti-clockwise direction depend on the which type of substitutions, then numbering start from this nitrogen atom having one number 2, 3 like that. But this in between the substitution of both the nitrogen atom gives the second number only. So in this way, you have to prepare the substituted pyrimidines. 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds react with the this type of fragment NCl, where is present in urea is present, in amidine is present, or in presence of guanidines. This type of fragment is present. This fragment react with the 1,3-dicarbonyl components to form the substituted pyrimidine. That is, which type of substitution? 2, 4, 5, 6. Any type. Here, which type of substitution is present on this 1,3-carbonyl dicarbonyl compounds? Then this type of substitution was formed in the final products, if you observe. Second method for the preparation of pyrimidines, that is from alpha, beta unsaturated ketones. This, if you consider this is a functional group, this carbon atom is alpha and this is beta. There is in alpha and beta, there is a unsaturation, mean double or triple bond present in between alpha and beta carbon atoms. This type of starting material is used for the synthesis of pyrimidines. Again, the same fragment like used, that is amidines, benzamidines are used. They react with the alpha beta unsaturated ketones and to form the substituted intermediate, dihydro intermediate, followed by oxidations to form the aromatic pyridine containing moiety, that is 2,4,6 triphenol pyrimidine was formed. In this way, you have to prepare the 2,4,6 substituted pyrimidine. First, alpha beta unsaturated ketones, they react with the amidine like structures and to form the intermediates, followed by oxidations to form the pyridine as a basic moiety. Another third method for the preparation of pyrimidines, that is from substituted pyrimidines, you have to prepare unsubstituted pyrimidines. 4-methyl pyrimidines undergo oxidations. Here methyl groups undergo oxidations, convert into carboxyl group, followed by decarboxylation, loss of carbonyl groups, and to make the final product, that is pyrimidines. Unsubstituted pyrimidines you have to prepare from substituted pyrimidines. This is one of the examples. From alkyl pyrimidines, you have to prepare the only pyrimidines, unsubstituted pyrimidines. Another method from chloropyrimidines. This is the structure of chloropyrimidines, 2,4,6 trichloropyrimidines. They undergo react with the zinc dust to form the unsubstituted pyrimidines, whereas in presence of palladium reductions, loss of 3 molecules of hydrochloride, and to make the pyrimidine as a final product. Unsubstituted pyrimidine is formed from substituted pyrimidine. Which type of substitution? Fluorosubstituted pyrimides. Anyone can answer the IPC name for pyrimidines? You have to discuss after the medicinal uses of pyrimidine like drug molecules. Now we have to move with the chemical reactions of pyrimidines. First chemical reaction is electrophilic addition to the nitrogen, because in pyrimidines the nitrogen having unshared of electrons. They usually donate and to make the electrophile addition to the nitrogens. Firstly, diprotonation reactions, then N-alkylations. In diprotonations, 2 protons are substituted on both the nitrogen atoms and to form diprotonated pyrimidine, positive charge on both the nitrogen atoms, and this type of diprotonated pyrimidine was formed. This is the first electrophilic addition to the nitrogens. And second reaction is N-alkylations. For N-alkylations, one of the nitrogen sharing its electron towards the alkyl halide, and to form the 1-methyl pyridinium salt was formed, and positive charge acquired where the alkyl is substituted. Next reaction is chemical reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. In electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, the pyrimidines generally less reactive towards the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction because it having two nitrogen atoms present in the heterocyclic skeletons. Due to the two nitrogen atoms, the electrophilic substitution occur in pyrimidine but less reactive because due to the presence of two unshared electron present on the nitrogen atoms in 6-member skeleton of the heterocyclic moiety. So the electrophilic aromatic reactions or substitution reactions was carried out only the electron donating group should be present in the pyridine moiety. Then and only then the possibility of electrophilic substitution reactions at fifth positions, where in the resonance structure they give the more stable resonance structures. And for electrophilic aromatic substitutions, there is a no nitrations and no sulfonation reaction carried out with pyridine moiety because they are less reactive with the electrophile substitutions. This is one of the example of electrophilic aromatic substitution is brominations. Under certain conditions, this type of reaction is carried out. Bromination at fifth positions, and to form the 5-bromopyrimidine is a final product. Here, the ring activated electron donating group is nitrobenzene is used for the reactions. Then and only then electrophilic aromatic substitution occurs for brominations, halogenations. There is a no nitration, no sulfonation reaction is carried out. If in examination they give the reaction pyrimidines with nitrating mixtures, identify the final compounds, whether it is the reaction is carried out or not. Then you have to write down the solution of that type of reaction is no reaction occurs due to the presence of both the nitrogen at 1 and 3 positions. They are less reactive towards the electrophilic substitution such as nitrations. Like that answer you have to give one in that type of reaction for nitration and sulfonations majorly. Now next reaction is nucleophilic substitution reactions. This reaction we have to already discuss or already study in the pyrazole, that is 5-member 2 nitrogen containing formation reactions. From pyridines, they react with the hot hydrazines. There is a ring opening and formation of pyrazole is a final product. In this way, this pyrazole is formed from pyrimidines. Pyrimidines react with the hydrazine, hot hydrazines to give the nucleophile addition product, that is pyrazole. There is a ring opening and ring closure, ring reduction was carried out. Another reaction is with Grignard reagents. Pyridines react with the Grignard reagents. There is a formation of intermediate followed by oxidations. For intermediate, that is 1,6-dihydropyrimidines is the intermediate was formed, followed by oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate oxidizing agent. There is addition of two removal of 2 hydrogen due to the oxidation and formation of aromatic pyrimidine, that is 4-substituted aromatic pyridine is formed. So these are the some chemical reactions of pyrimidine. First, electrophilic addition to the nitrogen, because the pyrimidine is a basic characteristic, weak basic. The protonation was carried out easily, whereas N-alkylation also carried out in electrophilic addition to the nitrogens. And electrophilic aromatic substitution not easily reactive with pyrimidines because of presence of both the nitrogens having unshared electron on pyrimidine moieties, pyridine skeletons, and nucleophilic substitution reactions and reactions with Grignard's reactions. These reactions with pyrimidines. Now some drugs having pyrimidine is a basic moiety. The example is 5-fluorocytosine. This is a 5-fluoro. This is the fifth position. Fluorine is present, and this moiety is pyrimidine moiety. This 5-fluorocytosine act as an antifungal agents. Another example is pyrimidine substitutions on N1 substituted sulfanilamide, that is sulfadiazines. Diazines is a IPC name for pyrimidines. That's why it is called as sulfadiazines. Name is self-indicated. This part is sulfonamides part, and diazine part is with this one, pyrimidine part. So IPC name for pyrimidine is diazine. Which diazine? 1,3-diazines. Di means 2, AZ for nitrogens, INE for IN stand for 6 member, E stand for unsaturated. This sulfadiazines, sulfamethazones also act as a antibacterials. Having pyrimidine is a basic moiety. Another is a synergistic effect drug along with sulfonamide, that is trimethoprimes having pyrimidine as a basic moiety. Another drug which gives synergistic effect with sulfonamide, that is trimethoprim. It acts as a DHFR inhibitors, dihydrofolic acid reductase inhibitor. This enzyme is involved in the conversion of dihydrofolic acid to the tetrahydrofolic acid formations. Another example is pyrimethamines. This drug is act as an anti-malaria drug. Having pyrimidine is a basic moiety. Another sedative hypnotics as a drug is phenobarbital, phenobarbital, secobarbital is the examples. They are the sedative and hypnotic drug, barbituric acids. 5-fluorouracils, uracil containing 5 positions, fluoro is substitution. This act as a cytotoxic drug, antimetabolite, cytotoxic drugs. Pyrimidine containing cytotoxic drugs. These are the examples, some examples with pyrimides.